have an audience today watching me. It's not your usual audience, but you see him kind of peeking his head over. Oh, look at that. Look who's watching me. Guess who I learned the catwalk from? That's right. I learned the catwalk from YouTube. And welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 380s and the alien blue colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below, as well as be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out those membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items that you're not going to want to miss out on as well. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be going through the Yeezy 380 Alien Blue today, and we're going to start off with the overview, then talk about size and fit on this one, followed by how I styled this cool, refreshing colorway. Then we're going to conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump into it. We have seen the OG alien coloring scheme. If you have not already seen that colorway on the 380s that I've done, go back, watch that video. I feel like it was a long time ago that I filmed that, so I have no idea the quality of that video, but anyways, you should still check it out. But this is definitely a nice take on that alien pattern that we've already seen. But we've got some nice added refreshing colors. I think some are fans of this, some are not so much of a fan of this. But let's start with this prime knit upper. We've got some nice white underlays on that prime knit with some nice streaks of a lighter gray, heather gray shade that wraps around the shoe goes all the way up into this tongue portion. And then we've got that no tie lace system, which I do like. And again, we've got that sock-like fit at the top of this silhouette. So let's take a quick look at those features. All right, so as we work our way to the medial and lateral side of the shoe, you'll notice that there's actually this kind of light aqua marine coloring scheme on the side. And as I'm kind of moving in the light, you'll see that there is actually a lot of reflection going on there. So these are reflective. Again, this is a different kind of aqua marine color scheme that they've gone with. I'm not sure quite how I feel about it, but it does actually differentiate from that alien palette that they went with. So definitely a different kind of refreshing color scheme, especially for the spring summer. And it also adds just a little bit of a pop of color. I do prefer the inside of the silhouette more, just because I think that this kind of blue hue blends a little bit better. But you know, this is definitely a vibrant take on that stripe there. That's also got that kind of alien translucent look. And then as we work our way to the back, the prime knit is just finished off in the same white and gray hues. We've got that full length midsole with a boost on the bottom that you can see through there. The semi-translucent midsole in that kind of light blue, white, and a darker shade of blue trickling down there. And it's got that kind of cool pattern that you can see through. And again, just a nice, simple kind of cream colorway for the bottom of the outsole to finish off the shoe. On the inside, we've got just a nice, simple white insole with some nice, just earthy tones for the Yeezy and Adidas logo. All right, let's take a last and final look at those details. All right, and these also come with an additional pair of laces. So if you don't like this lock system here where you actually don't have to tie your laces, you can actually cut this off and add these laces to it. Always nice to have that additional option in the mix, and it's just that nice, simple white colorway. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit on this. I think I've heard mixed opinions on the size. For me, I do, again, like to wear my shoes on a little bit of a bigger fit. So I like to have some extra room in that toe box. I feel like a lot of the times when I've worn the 380s, I feel like a little claustrophobic in the toe box region because it is pretty narrow and shallow. Again, I do feel like your foot is being pushed up as well because you've got that additional padding on the back. So I go half a size up. I do have narrow, high arched feet. But if you do have flat feet that are wider, and if you also like to wear your shoes on a tighter fit with thinner socks, that will also probably decipher a different fit that works best for you. But my recommendation is to go half a size up on this one. All right, so now let's jump into styling. This is a pretty simple colorway to style. I did have some fun kind of matching the tones in it. For the first look, I decided to wear the Handle Tee by Supreme. And the reason I wanted to wear that shirt is just because it matched all the colors in this palette to a tee with the blues and the greens and the grays. And then I wore that with just some simple distressed wide leg jeans from Zara.
Yeah. 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 I got bad thoughts that make my mind scared. Hold me hostage and they don't fight fair. Who gon' pray for me and wipe on my tears? Who gon' save me if you not right here? Move this darkness and make my sight clear. Take me your way cause I don't like here. Ghost of my past, they feeling the night air. Wake me up, I'm trapped in my nightmares.
And then for the second look, I decided to bring out my Lotta collab with Adidas. That is one of my favorite kind of matching athletic pieces from that collab. I love kind of that light blue that is on that specific shorts and jacket, and I think it kind of matched the midsole perfectly. So I really wanted to kind of bring the highlights of the blue and the midsole out in that second look.
Wake me up, I'm trapped in my nightmares. Drowning, I'm off the deep end. Apparitions of all my demons. All my thoughts are committing treason. All alone, who gon' hear me screaming? Manifestations of my fears. Regrets that stretched out for light years. Can almost touch the light, homie, it's right there. Body free, but trapped in my nightmares. Wake me up, don't let me drown. All the lights are fading now.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear just some simple black biker shorts with a cream tank top, and then I layered that with my Balenciaga denim jean jacket. I think that denim top or bottom just will go so well with these, just because of the gray hues that you're seeing. It's kind of giving me that bluish tone as well in the prime knit, but also that midsole that really just kind of pops.
All my life is fading now. All my life is fading now. Wake me up, don't let me drown. All my life is fading now. All my life is fading now. Body free but trapped in my nightmares. Wake me up, I'm trapped in my nightmares.
So you let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these shoes?
I hear them chat to the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys, man so tough, but man's keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch me, please use caution.
let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these shoes went for $230 retail, and they're currently, depending on your size, are going between $250 and $350. So definitely, you know, these do have a little bit of resale to them. I do think that this colorway is one of the more sought after colors for the summertime. And again, I think that the alien was such a popular color, even because it was the OG and the first of its kind. But I do see that there's a bit of popularity in these, and it's a little bit more rare to see on people's feet these days. So definitely love seeing people rocking these for this new kind of season that we're jumping into here in New York. All right, thanks everybody again for tuning in to another one of my episodes. If you were new here today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about size, fit, or anything in between on this unboxing review today, be sure to leave those comments down below. Hit that notification bell as well, because we have so much heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership tiers in our merch store. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.